在新闻来关心，美军有组织架载喷射机燃油的油船，是停伫英国的北海。40时，说互一架挂葡萄牙国旗载化学物品的货轮去弄着，油槽全破气爆炸，2架船拢倒火烧。英国的海巡赶紧去现场救，有救出36个人，不过目前还有1个人失踪。
英国海巡队伫当地时间7早起9点18分接到化救信号，位伫伦敦北方250公里远的北海海峡发生船只小龙导火意外，驾驶的是挂葡萄牙国旗的货轮“索隆湖”，无断以16节速度弄到美国海军司令部乘坐的游轮“斯蒂纳无瑕号”。这架载运量达到几啊万吨的游轮，船顶装满喷射机燃油。轰弄着了后，油槽破裂，发生连续性爆炸，现场火光乌烟直青。英国海巡队第一时间派出救难直升机、4架救生艇，甲有消防功能的船舰去抢救弃船逃生的船员。
The Solong should have avoided it, and it would be down to incompetence on behalf of Solong. There is no reason why, in the 21st century, two ships should collide.
美军乘坐的游轮装载是有高度挥发性的喷射机燃油，油料加上挥发性燃油，火场拢是乌烟甲有毒的物质。
Crude oil spill is fairly thick and gooey. We're very good at dealing with crude oil spills. The problem with this sort of spill is that it will evaporate, which is probably good news for the ocean, not such good news for the atmosphere, but also it makes it more dangerous in terms of likely explosions. So, it has to be dealt with very carefully. And at the moment, the winds are carrying it towards the coast. I think it's highly unlikely it's going to explode when it hits the coast, but it will cause pollution incidents along the coast.
各个海是索隆湖船舱装载15个货柜的有毒化合物氰化钠，初步也无清楚敢是有外泄到海底。若拄着海水会产生让人死亡的气体氰化氢，会互现场救援的工作人员就像踮伫危险的环境，对海洋甲自然生态也是一大浩劫。公司新闻王慧文编译。